This is ISD1820 module to record the voice and playback. And the black one you see here, that's a little mic, and you can record voice up to 10 seconds. ISD1820 module with speaker 0.5 watt, and I need nano. For this project, I'm using nano, then ultrasonic sensor along with breadboards. Okay, and then I need a jumper wire. So a lot of good project can be made through this module ISD1820, right? You can record any sound and play back when you need, right? So in this video, I'm gonna show just an example, and in coming videos, I will be, building a lot of projects where I'll be using this module and the usage. Okay. So let's get started and let's see how to connect the wires. The wire connection detail is given on the screen, as well as I will be sharing the link of my blog where you can go and see the details of wire connection and the code, and more details about how the project is going to work and components work. So wire connection is completed. Now it's time to record the sound, any sound you want. The maximum time is 10 seconds. It cannot go beyond 10 seconds. So any recording, anything you're recording, the limit is only less than 10 seconds. Okay, so the first thing that I know, as soon as you connect wire to PC or laptop, right, and to record the voice on the ISD module, like there's a red push button. Press that and keep it pressed. Just follow along the way I'm doing. Now it's time to upload the code, so go ahead and upload the code. The URL of the blog is given in the description. So every single detail is to build the project is also given in this blog. So let's go ahead and copy the code from here and paste into IDE. Arduino IDE. Okay, now click upload. and this is done. So now you see, as soon as I will take my finger or any object closer to ultrasonic sensor, it will trigger, right? And automatically you will hear the sound, emergency sound, right? So this is very simple project, but a lot of good projects can be made using this module.